realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G smartphone that's been launched in India, and as you can see, it's a different design altogether with the matte and the glossy finish at the back, and a new camera module that's been given, and this is how the display looks. Well, what are the other specs of this smartphone and what are the other details we'll tell you about in this video. Let's get started. This is the realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G, launched in India. Yes, this looks a very promising smartphone in terms of design. You can see, like we told you, it has a glass back and a finish of matte and glossy. This is the first time Narzo series has this kind of different design. It packs 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED screen with up to 2000 nits peak brightness, and also has rainwater smart touch technology, which means that even if your fingers are wet, you can still operate the screen. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, and it packs 8GB of RAM with up to 8GB of RAM expansion. Talking about the cameras, well, it has 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS. It comes with 8 megapixel of ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel of macro camera. So the USP of the realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G is also the low light photography. Let's just give you a real-time test of the smartphone's low light photography. Come. The front camera is 16 megapixel, and see how the pictures fare. Well, talking about other things, it has stereo speakers, and this is IP54 rated. It's pretty lightweight, just 190 grams, and has a flat, wide, broad display. It's a 5G phone, as mentioned. And talking about the battery, well, it comes with 5000 mAh of battery with 67 watts of SuperVOOC fast charging. Talking about the skin, well, it has Realme UI 5.0 and works on Android 14. Also to tell you that it has 3 years of security updates and 2 years of operating system update. Also to add on, this works on air gesture support with about 10 gestures that can be worked upon this one. So overall, an impressive smartphone from the realme Narzo series this time, and with a different design and impressive spec sheet. This was realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G. So we told you all about the realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G smartphone, and it comes in 2 colors, you can see, and this one's my favorite, and this is good too. Well, talking about the cost, it comes in 2 storage variants, the 8128 that's priced at 18,999, and the other one at 8GB 256 that's priced at rupees 19,999. And for early offers, let me tell you that you also get a free T300 Realme Buds with purchase of any of these realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G smartphones.